Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Tap Sounds and Vibration. Tap on Notification Sound. Now, if you have multiple SIM cards, choose the SIM that you would like to change the notification sounds for. You have a large variety of sounds to choose from. Just tap on a sound to preview it and to select it. You can have different notification sounds for each SIM card if you have multiple SIM cards. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.